go any more south than Invercargill, right? But we're sort of going like up the bottom to a place called Te Anau. Te Anau, yeah?
Probably.
I'm sorry if I said it wrong, I'm trying to get it right. We are staying at a backpackers tonight. We've got a private room, again, in like a hostel. It's quite early, we set off about an hour ago and it's now 10 to 8. We're going to go to the backpackers and leave our car there, and then at 10 AM we're getting picked up by a coach, and we have an 8-hour activity day excursion, that's probably the right word, because then they're going to drive, I think it's about 3 hours with stops.
Yeah, sure, coming back.
Yeah, there's like stops on the way. We're going to Milford Sound, we're doing like a cruise thing for, I don't think we're on there for more than 2 hours, I'd say between an hour and 2.
Probably.
And then we get like a little picnic. So we're doing that today, and then tomorrow we head off to Queenstown for a couple of nights, and then we start making our way up the west coast, ready for next week when we get our ferry over to the North Island. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm tired. Are you tired?
I'm a bit tired.
A bit tired, yeah. And we've probably got, what did you say, 50 minutes left?
Yeah.
Drive. We've already done an hour, so we'll oh dear. Show you what it's like when we get there. Our backpackers is literally right on the lakefront, so it should be quite nice. And then we've got a reservation tonight at the Fat Duck, is that what it's called? I think. So hopefully that'll be nice. And then we'll probably start to see mountains now, because we've been sort of sticking to the coast, so we'll start going inland and it'll all be mountainy. I mean, you can see some mountains maybe in the back. You can see them like peeking up behind the clouds. Yeah. We'll show you when we get there. Wonderful. And it's got like windows.
Remember, the biggest lake in New Zealand is Lake Taupo, located in the North Island. So, as you can see, this valley is a source of inspiration for many filmmakers.
Hey,
Yeah.
we're at our first little stop. I don't know how he's pronounced it, but
Valley.
no, Eggleton?
I wasn't listening.
No, you wasn't. You had your music in. I was just trying not to be sick because it was so swayy. It's just like, oh look, there you go, Eglinton Valley. Eagleton?
Definitely a valley.
Yeah.
It's Gala, Scotland.
Yeah, it does. A little bit like Alaska, actually. I think it's gonna look like Alaska because of our because we went down the fjord, didn't we?
Mm.
Very busy little pit stop. There's just people everywhere.
Mirror Lake.
Yeah, it's only a little lake. We just did like the quickest walk. We're back on the bus. It's quite busy down there, and like everyone's taking photos. It's just one of those like spots.
Because it's a mirror lake.
It's a mirror lake. I mean, but I think we're most excited for the fjord. But it's still pretty. It's just, it takes the charm away when there's lots of people. That's the only thing.
Yeah, since there's like 5 coaches.
Yeah, we're all like following each other. So, I mean, it was a cute little stop. Do you think we would have stopped if we drove?
I probably would have seen all the coaches and said no.
And said no, yeah. It's just one of those things, but yeah.
Stanley loved this lake and the land so much that he left, Scotland behind, and came here. Walking tracks.
getting sunny.
Yeah.
We're at Monkey Creek. There's not been a lot of water, so I don't think there's any water. It's a bit hard to see with the sun. But like, it's pretty. Sun's beaming. Snow's coming. Should have brought our sunglasses.
Then what are you gonna do?
Rookie mistake. I thought it was going to be all misty still. Oh look, is that a key bird? K-E-A.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a birdie over there. Oh, you can't see it on the camera probably. It's in between the buses.
Don't feed them.
Don't feed the birds.
Don't feed them.
Not like, is it Mary Poppins?
What?
No, no it's not. Yeah it is. Mary Poppins. Feed the birds. Tuppence. 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 Something, I can't remember how it goes. We haven't watched that movie in a while. You know, the bird lady. Feed the bird.
No.
Well, you can't feed this one.
No.
God, it's a bit grumpy.
Okay.
Do you not know what I'm talking about?
No.
You don't know the reference. It is Mary Poppins. Yeah, it is. Crazy. Oh, Jesus, I'm going to trip up now. You're getting cosy in your jumper.
Yeah. Get out.
Getting up. I'm down to 3 layers at the minute. You've got, what have you got on?
3.
T-shirt. Oh yeah, you've got fleece as well. Oh look, here's the bird. Everyone's getting pictures.
Now, as you can see from the arch in front of us, the construction of this new cabin and rock shelter is almost completed. Just a few tweaks here and there to complete it. Okay, welcome to the Homer Tunnel. We can see Kias over there to the left on top of the rocks.
Another little stop.
Should pour my drink with me.
Good drink.
Yeah.
Little boarding passes.
Want to go to the top?
Go wherever you want. Don't mind.
Maybe down there, maybe.
Drinking water. The cafeteria downstairs as well. Have you got food vouchers? Ordered your lunch. They'll be waiting for you. I'm going to show you a food voucher. Take it there. Collect your lunch.
Yeah, we never got nice on the coach or anything.
No, he didn't
Anywhere.
ask us. So we've got a little paddle. We've got sea salt, sea salt,
Hot bike.
veggie pie. Oh, some biscuits. Anzac biscuits. Yeah, you're going to eat
I have that in my bag.
Get an apple and a what's this called? Cereal bowl.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Chocolate one.
Oh,
Chocolate music.
Thankfully, rediscovered in the 1970s, captured and
it doesn't say anything.
offshore predatory islands around the country. Still have to be predatory. So now there are several hundred of
We've got
islands.
James has got chicken and mushroom.
I think it was the same time.
Maybe.
Not bad chocolate.
And then we paid to get a drink. So James got cider and I got water. So for a cider and water We've made it out to the sea, now we're going back in.
Yes.
It's cold out here now. I'm cold now. I was
They named the place Fjord. They spoke carefully. It was a Norwegian name. Once they realised their mistake, they named the whole region Fjord.
My glasses are wet. Just got to our little accommodation for the night. We're in, what's it called, Lakefront Backpackers in Te Anau. It's quite cute.
Very nice.
It's a private room, which we knew, but like I'll show you out there in a minute because it's a bit different, isn't it? It's not what we expected at all. So we've got this nice cozy little room. Clean what are these called? Towels. And then I don't think we've got any neighbours. Oh, let me turn the light on. One moment. Yeah, so like we have a communal, like this is our door we come through. We have a communal little area, and then there's B and A. We're in A. There's no one, I don't think there's anyone here. No. And then the bathroom, the light switch is like in the middle of the room. Okay. And then there's just like a wet room.
Oh yeah, it is a wet room.
Like,
how weird.
But we only share this with whoever's staying in here, and we're in this room. I think it's really kind of cool.
Oh.
It was only $100, $105. Yeah, and I really like it. And we can lock the door, can't we? Yeah. Just what we need. Perfect, isn't it? I can't even remember if we looked at hotels, like how much they were. We should need somewhere to crash. We just went and had some dinner at the Fat Duck. Our reservation wasn't until 7:30, but we got back earlier than planned from the coach trip. So we got back at like 5:30. So we went and had dinner. I didn't video it. We were just hungry and just needed something to eat. You had fish and chips, I had steak, and it was really good. Our waiter was from, did you say Manchester?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's that. So tomorrow is a brand new day. We're going to Queenstown. So I don't know if I don't know how long these videos are going to be. So I don't know if I'm going to just do one big mash of like the South Island or do like part 1, part 2. But maybe if I do it in parts, might be where I stop it, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
So we'll say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Just in case. And we'll see you in a new video tomorrow.